Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Campaign Monitor for AI email content suggestions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Campaign Monitor for AI email content suggestions, first, navigate to the Campaign Monitor website. Log into your existing account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select the Account Settings option. In the Account Settings, find the API Keys section. Click on Add an API key to generate a new key. Make sure to label your API key for easy identification later. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open the application or tool where you want to use the AI email content suggestions. In the Settings or Integration section of your chosen application, look for the Campaign Monitor Authentication option. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Ensure that you follow any additional prompts or requirements specific to the application or tool. Once the API key is entered, save your settings or changes. Now, test the connection to confirm that the authentication was successful. You should see a confirmation message indicating that you are connected. You are now ready to start using AI for email content suggestions with Campaign Monitor. Remember to keep your API key secure and do not share it publicly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Campaign Monitor Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Campaign Monitor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.